Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I'll show you how to reset network settings. So to get started, let's open up Settings, and from there scroll down to System, tap on Advanced and go to Reset Options. And then here you should see Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on that and it will give you a message that this will basically reset the Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi, you will lose all the connections that you had, like the passwords and networks that you were connected to. You'll basically need to reconnect to all of them and re-input the passwords. Then Bluetooth disconnects and forgets all the Bluetooth devices, while mobile data means literally nothing. It will disconnect and immediately after connect, and you won't even see any difference in there. So from there you can tap on Reset Settings, confirm it with a pattern if you have one, and you're done. That's all it takes after we press Reset Settings. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.